In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up personal calendar in GoHighLevel. Let's get you from zero to a ready-to-share personal booking calendar in just a few clicks. Start inside the correct sub-account where you want this calendar to live. From your dashboard, open Settings. This is the control center for account configuration, and it's where your scheduling tools are managed. If you don't see it right away, check the sidebar. It's typically represented by a gear icon. Inside Settings, open the Calendar section. This is where all your scheduling assets are organized. You'll see any existing calendars here, plus the option to create a new one. Think of this area as your hub for personal, team, and event booking setups. Create a new calendar. This launches a short setup flow that walks you through the essentials so you can start booking without getting lost in advanced options. When prompted for the calendar type, choose Personal Booking. This option is perfect when appointments should be booked directly with a single person, using that individual's availability and notifications. If you ever need team-based or round-robin scheduling later, you can create those separately. But for now, Personal Booking keeps things streamlined. Give your calendar a clear, descriptive name so it's obvious to both you and your invitees what the time is for. For example, you might call it Outreach Lead. Names like Discovery Call or Strategy Session also work well. The goal is to instantly communicate the purpose of the meeting so people know exactly what they're booking. Next, select the member who will own this calendar. Choose yourself or the specific team member who should receive these bookings. The owner's availability and notifications will be used for this calendar, so make sure you pick the right person. Set the meeting duration. Choose a length that matches your workflow. 15, 30, 45, or 60 minutes are common choices. Shorter times can keep momentum high, while longer durations are helpful for complex conversations. Pick the option that best supports the outcome you want from these calls. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to create the calendar. This finalizes the setup and gets it ready for use. Behind the scenes, GoHighLevel prepares the booking page and link associated with this calendar. Finally, preview the calendar. This shows you exactly what your invitees will see when they go to book time with you. Check that the name, owner, and duration appear as expected. If anything needs refinement, you can hop back into the calendar settings and adjust. And that's it. You've set up a personal booking calendar in GoHighLevel, ready for easy professional scheduling.